This video is to instruct the use of the downstairs television, of which there is one remote control which controls both the television and the UView BT box. So remote control is just a bog standard remote control. You can turn on the television by either pushing the top left power on button, or if the UView box is off, by pushing this button here. That will then activate the television and go straight into television. If you wish to look at the guide, you just push this button here, which is simply stated guide, and that will bring up everything you need to know. And then to scroll through these, you just push the up and down buttons and push OK. So here we have, in our package, we have BT Sports 1, 2 and 3, so you'll have various football events, rugby, speedway events, even baseball. So if we select baseball game, it's New York Yankees, and so you'll be able to watch this. Now if you wish to go to apps, if you push the blue button, then it pulls up this menu where if you use the scroll to go across to the right, you can go to the various apps. And these apps, the standard apps such as BT, BBC, iPlayer, ITV Hub, Channel 4, but of note is Netflix. Now if you push OK on that, it will load up Netflix, and then you'll have access to our Netflix. If you wish to turn off the television at the end, just push this top left button and then the TV will go off. And that's the television downstairs.